Hello, finance fans! New cars are a money trap that can destroy the goal of achieving financial freedom if we are not careful. In this video, we will look at how much cars are actually costing us and what we can do to avoid getting ripped off. My name is Charles. I'm a CFA charter holder with over 15 years of experience in investment banking and financial planning. Transportation is the second largest expense for most households. Let's look at the average amount Americans spend on a new car on a monthly basis. The average car payment in 2024 for a new car in the US is $735 per month. This amount has been increasing steadily over time. The average American spends about $200 per month at the gas station. This amount can fluctuate with gas prices, which have seen significant increases in recent years due to various economic factors. The average cost for full coverage car insurance is about $180 per month. Car insurance is essential, and costs can vary based on the vehicle type, coverage level, and driver history. Regular servicing and unexpected repairs contribute to ownership costs. On average, Americans spend around $100 per month on maintenance and repairs, depending on the vehicle's age and condition. The average car owner will also pay about $65 per month for licensing and registration to legally drive their vehicle. This all adds up to about $1,280 per month, or $15,360 per year. Now, just for fun, instead of buying a new pile of steel and plastic, let's calculate how much we would have if we were to take this amount per year and invest it in the S&P 500 over the next 30 years. The average stock market return is about 10% per year for nearly the last century, as measured by the S&P 500 index. In some years, the market returns more, and in other years, it returns less. On average, it's about 10%. Using our financial calculator and solving for future value, our money would grow to $2,526,628. Purchasing a new car is costing us over $2.5 million in opportunity cost. Car loans are a major obstacle to financial freedom. High interest rates and long-term loans can trap people in debt for years. Even when the loan is almost over, a balloon payment at the end could be part of the terms to own the vehicle outright. Dealerships might also let you trade in the vehicle near the end of the loan. When you walk through the dealership and see that newer, shinier model on the showroom floor, the debt cycle begins all over again. This trap could lead to making monthly car payments for decades. While not an out-of-pocket expense, depreciation is a significant cost that affects the overall value of the car. New cars experience the most dramatic depreciation, losing 10 to 15% of their value as soon as they are driven off the dealership lot. By the end of the first year of ownership, a new car will likely lose another 10 to 15% of its value, making the first year the steepest period of depreciation. Luxury vehicles and electric cars tend to have the highest depreciation rates, while trucks and hybrids retain their value a bit better. Understanding this rapid depreciation is important when deciding if you should buy a new car. Now, what can we do about it so we don't get ripped off? Here are 4 ways to fight back. If you need to buy a car that is at least 5 years old. This could be a better financial decision for several reasons. Straight away, you avoid the initial steep depreciation, allowing you to get more value for your money. Cars that are 5 years old are generally much cheaper than new models. This price difference can allow you to purchase a higher-end model or vehicle with more features than you could afford if buying new. Insurance premiums are typically lower for used cars compared to new ones, as the value of the vehicle is less. Buying a used car with cash offers several advantages. You avoid any interest charges associated with financing the car. This can save you a substantial amount of money over time. Paying in cash means you own the car outright from day one. This eliminates monthly payments and the stress of managing a loan, allowing you to enjoy your vehicle without financial obligations. Cash buyers also have more leverage in negotiations. Dealers may be more willing to lower the price for a cash transaction because it guarantees immediate payment and reduces complexity of the sale. Ask yourself, do I even need a car? This depends on many factors related to your lifestyle, location, and financial situation. In urban areas, public transportation, biking, or ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft may be more convenient and cost-effective than owning a car. Evaluate the availability and reliability of these services in your area. Consider your daily activities. If you frequently travel long distances, commute to work, or have family obligations that require flexibility, a car may be beneficial. Also consider your future plans. If you anticipate changes in your job, family size, or home location, think about how these changes might affect your transportation needs. This is the best time in history to turn your car into an income-producing asset, rather than merely incurring costs associated with ownership. One popular method is to rent out your car through online platforms like Turo or Uber Car Share. This approach allows you to earn money when your vehicle would otherwise be idle. You can list your car on a rental platform, set availability, and manage bookings. The platform typically handles insurance and customer service, making it relatively straightforward. If you are willing to drive, consider working with companies like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Amazon Flex. This option allows you to earn money while providing transportation services. You will need a good driving record, a vehicle that meets the service's standards, and a flexible schedule in order to maximize earnings. Another innovative approach is wrapping your car in advertisements. Companies like Carvertise and Rapify pay you to display ads on your vehicle, turning it into a moving billboard. Your income will depend on your driving habits and the size of the ad placement. This option requires minimal effort beyond your regular driving. Transforming your car into an income-generating asset requires creativity and a willingness to explore unique opportunities. You can easily turn your car into a source of revenue with tax benefits, helping to offset ownership costs and potentially create a profitable side business. In conclusion, the costs associated with car ownership extend far beyond the initial purchase price, including many ongoing expenses and massive opportunity cost. Understanding these costs is crucial for potential car buyers to make informed financial decisions. To overcome the financial burden of car ownership, it's important to avoid debt. If you need a car, the goal should be to buy a used, reliable car with cash and drive it for many years. This will free up money to invest for the future and work towards financial independence. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe as I will be uploading a new video weekly. Until next time, keep earning, keep saving, and keep investing.